You're good. You're good.
Okay.
Second Turbo 2.0.
Yes, sir. Alright, let's get this shit.
What are you doing?
Alright, reset that.
Race car!
Wait.
I like car.
Wait.
Ryan, we're filming a clip. You want to be in it?
Or what?
We need an I like car shirt.
We need,
Alright, Alex.
we need an intro.
That's Alex,
Let me get back.
Wait,
Just start taking the engine out, bro.
You need the back
Alright,
tire.
so basically this is the second Integra build. And we're yanking the engine right now
We know how much people like the
to
first
build
one.
it. So that we can make big power, and this will be like our first legit car. Like, it's getting fully built motor. And it'll be fast. Because I like car.
Devil circle, bitch ass.
Oh yeah, big power, baby!
Dude, next power, baby!
We're here to fix these
baby!
absolutely terrible welds. I'm sorry to whoever bought this from, but that is terrible. That is so bad. I've never had a weld that bad in my life. And there's a few of them. There's that one. They did that one. So I'm excited to fix that.
Is that what gonna be your
Yo, he might need a new line.
Alright boys, quick update. So custom engine mount hoist was made, stolen from that car. Put it right back there. Might have cross-threaded, but there's no other way. No other way, boys. They got that axle out. Now they gotta take this one out on the side. Right now, Black Drain is taking out this axle. What's a scoop Jade on?
This bitch won't come out.
Axles are out on both sides now. Alright boys, we got an engine hoist, American hat, and we got a mullet. Couldn't get any more American than this.
That was an engine hoist, American.
It was made in America.
Jaden, ready, Jaden?
Alex, how was work?
It's work. Brakes.
Are the mounts
We'll get
disconnected?
We're getting there.
So we use Milwaukee breaker ball.
How am I gonna fit this in there?
You're on the wrench. Yeah, right.
All you gotta do is pull it out, cut the head over.
That's too much.
Oh yeah.
I'm a carpenter, fucking grease in my hands. Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Nice cut! Better than this guy.
You tried?
Trying to finesse it.
Jesus Christ.
Ooh, baby, a triple.
So Alex, try putting it the other way. Try putting it down and then spinning it.
How did this dude take them? How did he put them in?
Drop this. You drop this.
We'll just wait till the engine's out. I don't feel like it.
No.
You guys didn't leave the NOS hooked up.
Yeah.
What
Alex.
Really low. You can get those off. We'll take the battery tray off,
I think you
and
should
we
just
should
get
be
the
able to
soles
sneak
on
it.
and start hacking shit.
Yeah.
The whole transmission in half.
There goes the washer.
Isn't it getting rebuilt?
Or
Alex? Can't you just hack some shit with the soles on?
I got another block, so we can just cut it right in half.
Yeah, that ought to work good.
Diagonal.
10 mils, 12 mils.
Honestly, just tell me, listen, if you want it back, you're gonna give me this much, or I'm gonna spray it with brake clean.
I'm about ready to spray it with like red or something.
Yeah, you're on your one engine mount.
This better not be broken off in there.
No, there's just none in there.
Driving to PA with it. I was like, can you transfer titles? And they're like, yeah. I was like, alright, we're meeting like Williamsport. It's like, it's only 2 hours for me, so. She's like, yeah, I'll meet you there.
Go down with it.
Does it actually work now?
Why don't we just take this mount out?
It's taking so
We
long.
only need one bolt.
This one goes to a second. That goes to a second.
Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah,
it is.
For my next bike. Did you don't tell me about your bike?
What is that bolt?
That's what I have ordered. Find out that you bought your sister.
No, it's not bad. No, it, for real.
Tight.
We still have a sensor on the back, by the
You
way.
made it sound like it was gonna be.
We have to get it up once it comes out more. It's right next to the oil filter. We got 19.
Yeah, if you
But
didn't
we
understand.
oh,
you didn't even
we're
understand
getting
how
right
to
over
do
the
that.
back engine mount, so that's what was holding it.
Make sure that shit's like this.
Alex went on when they had the
You're hitting the
Skyline,
frame over
I
here?
think it was.
Oh, and give me the
Pry bar?
Yeah, you just
nah,
really
so I'm
gotta
gonna pull
lift
this
that
oil
side
sensor
up.
out.
It's getting a lot higher.
Pull
than it
this. You gotta move this the whole way up, Alex, so you get more.
was. No, that's leveling it. That side's way lower than this side.
I think you need more.
Either way, you're gonna get hung up yet. You gotta pull it.
We have a transfer like that.
Make sure there's no wires. Keep an eye.
Oh, we got some coolant leaking.
It'll come straight.
That's alright, it's out the thermostat.
Yeah.
Me and Owen were low-key grinding. Oh wait, we got one. We got the idle control valve. Oh, and why didn't you just pop the front pin?
I didn't know one.
We're pulling our first.
Alright.
How basic this block is, though.
Well, let's pull it out. Let's drop this trans off. I got it. Yep. That's the B18B.
Gang in this
Let's get up.
B18B1.
I mean, just get black. One.
Yep.
B18B1.
I just guessed.
That white gets so dirty, bro. But white is so clean on the engine. You know that white?
Clean ATF
Ooh, it stinks.
or whatever it is. Gear oil.
Lick it.
Nice.
Yeah, and then
He's gonna get in there.
Thank you, sir.
Can I get in there with you, Jaden?
Yeah.
Well, I was trying to find a sensor.
I'm curious why these ports
I'm in
are
a
locked off.
I am the engine.
Let me stand back.
Gotta make some new ones.
That's a good thumbnail right there.